Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to change your cover on your Hugibo. So we have our Yeti cover right here, and we're going to be changing into our monster cover, as well as there's many other different fun characters in the Hugibo collection. So we're going to start by unzipping this, and we're going to want to pull the head out of the cover first, as it's the easiest to remove this way. Just like that. And then you're just going to pull the inner from the cover, just like this. And you can either slide it off just like that. Put that over on the side. So if you need to refill your Yogibo, what you're going to do is find the lock zipper here. The lock zipper is in place so it doesn't fly open and spill bead all over your house. The way to unlock the lock zipper is using a zip tie, paper clip, or a bread twist. Other thing you're going to do to dress this, keep it up like this. Grab your new cover, and you're going to want to dress this head first. So you're going to want to do the top instead of the bottom up. It just looks better that way, and then helps zipping it up at the end of the process. So start by pushing the head on right here. Get as much bead up into the head part as you can. Give it a little shake. Then you lay it down like this. Roll this over and grab the zipper end. You're going to kind of scrunch it together, getting the cover over the bottom part. You can kind of pull and push the beanbag in. And then once you get a little bit in, all you're going to do is grab the two zipper sides, shake, pushing away from you, pulling the cover towards you. And then you're just going to push all this excess bead down. Shake it again. Then you can start to zip it up. If you have trouble right here on this neck part because it's double seamed, use two hands and just grab and pinch it together, and it makes the zipping process way easier. That can happen sometimes, but if it does, you just go right back. Zip it up, get any extra slack that's down in the cover. And just like that, you've successfully changed the cover on your Hugibo.